Hi everybody, my name is Renèe Hughes. I am a nationally certified professional aromatherapist, certified natural health consultant, and I'm your guide to pain relief using my three-step process with aromatherapy, breath work, and aroma tapping. Today, I'm going to show you a blend that is phenomenal pain relief. I've seen it work really well with arthritic pain, whether it be osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, sickle cell. It is really incredible at reducing inflammatory pain. And so I wanted to show you this blend. And the base that we're using for this is hemp seed oil. So hemp seed oil is really great. You want to make sure that you get an organic blend. The one I use will be, a link to it will be in the description below. But I wanted to talk to you about that entire blend and give that to you today. As a side note, hemp seed oil is really great for your skin. So if you've got something going on like psoriasis or eczema, I've got a spot on my foot that I think is eczema. I've been using it on there and it's been very soothing. So that's another thing it's really great for. Or if you're just wanting healthier, juicier, plumper skin, hemp seed oil and avocado oil are two really great, and jojoba oil are all really, really great for your skin. So you can mix it up and make some blends that are also great for your skin. But this, again, is specifically for pain. So I'm going to give you a pretty easy blend to remember. We're going to have pretty much the same amount of drops for everything. Let me just pull it up for you. And it'll also be on the screen, but I want to read it out to you too. So we're going to have the primary drops be Panaway. This is a pre-made blend by Young Living, but I'm sure that doTERRA has a similar one, or if you don't use Young Living or doTERRA, look for the pain relief blend with the company that you use. Usually it's going to be a blend that contains wintergreen. So, and I want to give you a note about wintergreen in just a bit. So look for the pre-made blend that has wintergreen in it. For Young Living, it's called Panaway, and it's amazing. It's got wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, I believe. Just an amazing blend on its own. We're going to use 8 drops of that. Now, typically, I'll use a 2-ounce bottle for my blend, so about this size. You can adjust the number of drops if you're going to use a larger bottle, okay? So you want to fill up, I always tell you guys, up to here with the carrier in this case being the hemp seed oil, and then we'll go with our drops. So 8 drops of the Panaway, and then 5 drops of everything else. 5 of juniper, 5 of frankincense, and then we're going to do 5 of lavender. This is a beautiful blend. It's incredible not only for the reducing of that fiery pain, but it's also very soothing if you were to use this at night to kind of help you to get a restful sleep. It's great if you're feeling anxious. Sometimes that pain, especially when it's hitting you over and over and over, you need something that just calm you down. This is a great blend for that as well. It's great for after workout when your muscles are feeling sore. It's got all that stuff, and it's really good for your immune system. It's very supportive for the immune system, especially with that frankincense and lavender in there. You're getting so much support. You're getting antioxidant support, antibacterial support, and anti-inflammatory support in this blend. It's really incredible. So you can use this throughout the day. What's great is that you can use it in between. So this is the point that I wanted to give you. Typically, you can use it in between anything else that you may be using to reduce or soothe pain. Of course, always check with your doctor to make sure it's safe for you to use essential oils. They are potent. But what's great and what my clients really love about it is that they can stretch the amount of time when they have to use another traditional method to soothe the pain because they're using this combination. So again, check with your doctor, make sure you're good to go on that. But I think you're really, really going to enjoy the blend. Now, here is the caveat. Here's the safety precaution, and it's really important. If your pain relief blend like Panaway, your equivalent to Panaway, or if you use Young Living, Panaway has that wintergreen in it. It's amazing, right? But what we have to remember is any blend that contains wintergreen or birch, those two essential oils, there's safety precaution when it comes to anyone who's taking a blood thinner, or if you're taking aspirin once a day, and some people take that once a day. If you're taking either one of those, anything that thins the blood, you want to be very cautious and probably not use wintergreen, which means you would not be using Panaway. or you will be using it very sparingly. And the reason is it can really add to the actions that happen with the blood thinner. It's very similar in composition to aspirin. Of course, it's a natural chemistry versus synthetic, but it's still, because it's got that beautiful effect of reducing the inflammation, and its chemical profile is similar, you can be getting too much of a good thing is what's happening. You can be getting too much. And so I really want to caution you, if you're taking blood thinner or aspirin or anything that's thinning the blood, then let's talk about something else to use besides Panaway or anything that has wintergreen in it. You could probably, with this blend, I'd probably just have you increase the frankincense or the juniper. Especially if you have arthritis, I'd have you increase the juniper for sure. Okay, so that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm right here for you. In the description, check out some of our other videos. And thanks for being here. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.